Imagine a place where your lunch drops from the sky, taxis drive themselves, and a single province holds more people than all of Japan. A place where the world's longest sea bridge stretches 55 kilometers across the ocean, and where a quiet fishing village transformed into a global tech superpower in just 45 years. Forget the pandas, forget the Great Wall. You've only been shown a fraction of the story. This country is far too vast, ancient, and extraordinary to fit into a single frame. Ready to see the bigger picture? This is the real China. Floating through Wuhan, the sky-high future of transit. Gliding silently above the bustling streets, the Wuhan suspended monorail feels less like a train and more like a scene from a sci-fi blockbuster. These sleek, underslung carriages hang from a single rail, carving a path through skyscrapers and over riverfronts without ever touching the ground. It's a visionary solution for the modern megacity, reclaiming the sky to bypass the gridlock below. This 21st century marvel is engineered for the ultimate urban fit. Because it is electric and operates with whisper-quiet noise levels, it can weave through dense neighborhoods with a tiny structural footprint that traditional subways or elevated trains simply can't match. It's a masterclass in sustainable mobility and proving that cutting-edge tech can slash carbon emissions while making the daily commute something to actually look forward to. As passengers float to their destination, the journey becomes a serene, cinematic experience, blending high-efficiency transit with a bird's-eye view of the world. Chengdu's Silicon Cathedral, inside the National Supercomputing Center. In the heart of Western China, the National Supercomputing Center in Chengdu stands as a high-tech fortress of digital horsepower. It isn't just a building, it's the brain behind the next generation of scientific breakthroughs. From the outside, the architecture is striking, but inside, it houses the sheer computational muscle required to simulate the future, from mapping climate change to training the world's most advanced artificial intelligence. This 21st century powerhouse is designed for one thing: solving the impossible. By processing quadrillions of calculations per second, the center provides the foundation for everything from drug discovery and aerospace engineering to deep learning models. Walking through its climate-controlled halls, and you feel a sense of quiet intensity. There are no moving parts, just the hum of thousands of processors pushing the boundaries of what's possible, advancing the frontier of science at a speed the human mind can barely comprehend. Chengdu's Silicon Cathedral, inside the National Supercomputing Center. In the heart of Western China, the National Supercomputing Center in Chengdu stands as a high-tech fortress of digital horsepower. It isn't just a building, it's the brain behind the next generation of scientific breakthroughs. From the outside, the architecture is striking, but inside, it houses the sheer computational muscle required to simulate the future, from mapping climate change to training the world's most advanced artificial intelligence. This 21st century powerhouse is designed for one thing: solving the impossible. By processing quadrillions of calculations per second, the center provides the foundation for everything from drug discovery and aerospace engineering to deep learning models. Walking through its climate-controlled halls, and you feel a sense of quiet intensity. There are no moving parts, just the hum of thousands of processors pushing the boundaries of what's possible, advancing the frontier of science at a speed the human mind can barely comprehend. Taming the Mother River, the Xiaolangdi Dam. Rising from the rugged gorges of central China, the Xiaolangdi Dam stands as a massive concrete sentinel against the mighty Yellow River. It is a masterpiece of modern engineering designed to do the impossible: tame the most sediment-heavy river on Earth. By carving a strategic barrier between steep hills and sprawling valleys, the dam creates a vital balance, turning a historical threat into a controlled resource. Completed at the turn of the millennium, Xiaolangdi is much more than a wall of concrete. It is a sophisticated, silt-flushing machine. Through a complex system of reservoirs and massive seasonal releases, engineers manage the river's unique sediment challenges while providing flood protection and clean hydroelectric power for millions. Standing at the observation deck, you don't just see a dam, you witness the disciplined restraint of one of nature's most unpredictable forces, protecting downstream communities that have faced the river's fury for centuries. The Shenzhen-Zhongshan link carves a stunning path across the Pearl River estuary, instantly captivating travelers with a seamless corridor of bridges, tunnels, and man-made islands. Spanning roughly 24 kilometers, 15 miles, this feat of modern engineering integrates massive sea bridges and high-tech immersed tunnels designed to withstand the region's harshest typhoons and shifting tides. Completed as a cornerstone of 21st century infrastructure, the link is more than just a road. It's a strategic lifeline that slashes travel times and unites the Greater Bay Area into a single, powerhouse economic hub. Whether soaring above the waves or diving beneath the seabed, Visitors experience the sheer scale of a project that literally redraws the map of China's most dynamic coastline. The Sky Road, engineering the Shanghai-Tibet Railway, scaling the roof of the world. The Shanghai-Tibet Railway is a breathtaking journey into thin air. This isn't just a train ride. It's a 21st century engineering miracle that defies gravity and biology. Stretching across frozen permafrost plains and snow-dusted peaks to reach the clouds. At its highest point, the tracks soar over 5,000 meters, 16,000 feet above sea level, nearly half the cruising altitude of a commercial jet. Building a railroad on a high-altitude plateau presented impossible challenges. To conquer the extreme environment, the line features oxygen-enriched cabins to protect passengers from altitude sickness and specialized cooling systems to keep the permafrost frozen beneath the tracks. Engineers even built elevated wildlife corridors to ensure that local species, unlike the Tibetan antelope, could migrate undisturbed. It is a masterclass in resilient infrastructure, proving that with enough perseverance, humanity can bridge the gap between the modern world and the planet's most forbidding frontiers. Wuhan Future City, a blueprint for the next metropolis. Rising along the Yangtze River corridor, Wuhan Future City is more than just an urban expansion. It is a bold, high-tech experiment in how we will live tomorrow. Imagine a district where the Internet of Things isn't just a buzzword, but the silent heartbeat of the city. By weaving together smart districts, lush green corridors, and seamless transit, Wuhan is sketching a visionary map for the next generation of global metropolises. Built from the ground up for the 21st century, this master-planned hub prioritizes digital infrastructure and low-carbon energy. Here, research campuses sit side by side with vibrant mixed-use neighborhoods where you can work, live, and play without ever needing a car. Walking through its waterfronts, you don't feel overwhelmed by technology. Instead, you sense a city designed for collaboration and long-term sustainability. It is a place where innovation-led growth finally puts the human experience at the center of the frame. The Hidden Garden, Chengdu SKP Park. Rising, or rather descending, in the heart of the city, Chengdu SKP Park is a breathtaking, hidden oasis that flips traditional urban design on its head. Above ground, it appears as a lush, sprawling public park filled with sculpted gardens and tranquil water features. But beneath this green canopy lies a subterranean marvel, a world-class luxury retail environment that seamlessly merges high fashion with nature. This 21st century landmark is a masterclass in spatial flow, utilizing massive light wells to flood the underground corridors with natural sunshine. By moving the intensity of a shopping mall underground and leaving the surface for public parkland, Chengdu has created a sophisticated sensory contrast. It's a place where high-end art installations meet quiet botanical paths, and offering a refined escape from the frantic pace of the metropolitan streets above. Did you know? This project is a premier example of biophilic design, an architectural approach that seeks to connect building occupants more closely to nature by integrating things like natural lighting, ventilation, and greenery into the modern built environment. The Digital Heavens, exploring the place in Beijing. Rising from the heart of Beijing's high-energy Chaoyang district, the place isn't just a shopping destination, it's a portal to a digital sky. Imagine walking through a sleek, open-air plaza where, instead of clouds, a massive LED canopy stretches overhead, pulsing with vibrant art and cinematic visuals. This isn't just a screen. It's a 250-meter-long sky screen that hovers between glass skyscrapers, turning the city's ceiling into a luminous, ever-changing masterpiece. Built as a centerpiece of modern urban innovation, the project uses synchronized digital engineering to create an immersive, living corridor. By night, the plaza transforms as the screen replaces the sky, bathing the crowds below in a glowing neon hum. It's a place where the boundaries between technology and public space vanish, offering a glimpse into a future where the city itself becomes a canvas for light, movement, and shared wonder.